Hey there friends, welcome back to episode 34 of that live portfolio update where we're growing 50k into $1 million. Now exciting to announce, we hit that next milestone, which was 200 subscribers. So thanks to everybody that has joined the team. And as promised, when I was going to hit that 200, I was going to put a little bit more effort into these videos. And luckily for you, I'm going to try and do talking head through the whole presentation. So you get to look at my mug. Now it could work out good, could work out bad. But let's just jump into it and let's go find out. Come on guys. Alright, starting with the sells this fortnight. Now it was a little bit sad, but we had to let two more go this week. So we had Champion, which broke our Rule 1 sell. And COG, as we know from last fortnight, breached its sell line. So it also had to go. So we ended up down 9.5%, same as the last episode after dividends. Oh well, it could have been worse. So you might be asking yourself, what did we buy with all that cash last fortnight? Well, there's pretty slim pickings out there, but we did buy something. So we moved into two new positions, which was ASX. We got 61 shares at $82 each, and Woodside, we got 154 shares at $32.50. Welcome to the club, guys, but please stick around for all of our sanity. All right, benchmark time. So how did STW fare this fortnight in comparison to our portfolio? Ouchie mama. With the sell-off with Champion and COG at the start of the trading fortnight, it really put us on for a rocky start. We had some steady recovery for the week, but the market seemed to sell down on the last day of the financial year, where we seen another drop-off. We ended up 1.8 down compared to STW, which was up 2.1. But those cheeky fellas got a heap of dividends. Otherwise, we had them purely in capital gains. But hopefully soon it will settle down and we'll start getting some momentum back. So here's the list broken down. Man, it's cute when it's so small. Now we're down 1.8% as you knew from the last slide. Challenger came back to life, giving us 11%. But unfortunately, as we know, Champion took that away from us. Our new guy Woodside was also down 7% with that end of financial year sell-off. But hopefully it'll come back next week. So here's all the last buys, holds and sells. The ones that changed are as follows and why. So ASX moved from buy to hold as it closed below last month's close of $81.71. Challenger moved from hold to buy as he closed above last month's close of $6.99. Clearview moved from hold to buy as he closed above last month's close of 68 cents. But be careful with this one as it is flirting with its sell line of 64 cents. And last but not least, Woodside moved from buy to hold as it closed below last month's close of $31.84. It's still choppy out there, but hopefully this month we can build that portfolio back up to the 15 stocks. But please remember guys, these are not my recommendations, just what I own and the rules that I follow. So please do your own research and remember to call your brother for his birthday, otherwise he'll get annoyed. Okay, so since inception, from the 9th of the 9th, 2021, we have a pure capital gain of negative 18.38%. The portfolio still has that dividend return of 4.93%, and this gives us a total return of negative 13.45%. I find this part entertaining to keep in, so I don't know if I'll keep it or not, but it'd be good to look back on. Our highest return was on the 23rd of the 4th at 8.19%, and our highest loss is from this episode at negative 13.45%. But we'll check back later and hopefully it's the other way around. Oh yeah, some more income has came in. One of our previous sold shares, being Champion, gave us a farewell present. The payout was 11.09 cents per share at 1560 shares, giving us a total of $173. Now be careful if you use ShareSite, as some of the automatic transactions is under the assumption that the dividend was 10.96 cents per share from their first announcement. The payout ratio was 20%, and you can see here that analysts predict that this will increase over time. Hopefully the commodity will turn back up and we might be able to get back into this stock, but time will tell. Boom, that time of the month again. Another $37.50 has hit our bank account on the 22nd as per our trading plan. We just need to find something to buy to start spending this money. Oh, we're on the last slide. That just went too quick. So our cash account is now at $50,832. So with our $50,832 in cash, plus our $29,709 in stocks, takes us to an overall value of $80,541, which is about a positive 4.3% total portfolio gain from last week. Yeah, I know, it's in that small dividend from Champion and mainly from those owner contributions, but I won't lie, I'm happy to see a little bit of green on the screen. Well, I hope you got through your beer and enjoyed that episode. Tune in next episode for not financial advice, and you all know the saying, keep healthy and wealthy. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, let me tell you once more, please click it. Let's get that 1,000. See you guys, have a good weekend.